Robots that sprint, do your dishes, and fluff your couch? Yeah, we're officially living in the future. Let's talk about what might be the wildest week in robotics in a long time. Two companies just revealed humanoid robots that feel like they were ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie. One is running across rocky terrain like an athlete, and the other? It's tidying up your living room with zero help. No remote, no tricks, just raw, real-world performance. Let's start with the jaw-dropper from Westwood Robotics. They've rolled out a new humanoid robot called Themis V2, and it's seriously next level. Imagine a 5'3" robot that moves like a flexible human. Maybe too much like one. It's got 40 degrees of freedom, which basically means it can twist, turn, and move like a yoga instructor with titanium joints. Thanks to a major upgrade, the arms are buttery smooth now. We're talking about picking up delicate items. No shaky, stiff robot arms here. This thing can handle fragile objects like it knows what they're worth. The secret? Something called bare actuators. That's a fancy term for super smart motors that mimic the fluid motion of human limbs. So when it bumps into something or someone, it doesn't react like a machine. It adjusts instantly and gently. No clunky shoulder bumps, no cartoonish flails. And the brain behind all of this? It's pumping out 200 trillion operations every second. Yeah, trillion. That lets it read the world around it, make snap decisions, and adapt on the fly. It also has a sensor tracking its body movement 1,000 times per second. So whether it's climbing stairs or stepping on uneven ground, it's got balance like a gymnast. Oh, and did I mention it runs over 6 miles per hour? So if you thought you could outrun your robot roommate, good luck with that. Westwood isn't just building a robot to sit in a lab. This thing is built for chaos. Warehouse floors, unpredictable terrain, maybe even your living room someday. From what we've seen in the demos, it wouldn't be surprising as it started doing flips next. Now for the other side of the spectrum, let's talk about Neo by a company called 1X. This one isn't trying to impress you with backflips. Its mission? Take over your chores. Sounds boring? Nope. Watching Neo work is oddly satisfying. In one demo, Neo's loading a dishwasher, grabbing a cup, switching hands mid-move, and placing it perfectly inside the rack. No wires, no joystick, just pure robotic intuition. It recognizes objects, plans how to grab them, moves with balance, and actually gets the job done. And sure, the dishwasher was already open, and the cup was ready to go. But that's exactly the point. These baby steps are massive in robotics. Every little success adds up. Another clip shows Neo gently placing a pillow on a couch. It walks over, leans forward while holding a soft, squishy object, and doesn't fall over doing it. Honestly, that's not easy, even for some humans. Here's the coolest part. Neo is fully autonomous. There's no hidden controller in the background. It sees the room in real time, makes its own decisions, and moves using a full-body control system. The team's using reinforcement learning, basically rewarding it for doing things right, to help it figure out tricky movements, especially with legs and coordination. But there's a deeper strategy behind all this. 1X isn't just building a robot to impress YouTube. They believe the real challenge and the real reward lies in training robots in real homes. Think about it. Homes are messy. You've got weird furniture angles, kids running around, pets getting in the way, and random stuff everywhere. It's the ultimate training ground. Compared to a clean factory floor, that's easy mode. Homes are chaos, and that chaos forces the robot to learn fast, adapt faster, and get smarter over time. So yeah, Neo isn't perfect yet, but the goal is to make it better through trial and error, just like how AI models got smarter by training on messy internet data. Put it all together, Westwood's Themis V2 is sprinting into complex environments with athletic precision, and 1X's Neo is quietly mastering the art of folding laundry and picking up after us. Different goals, same takeaway. Robots are becoming real-world ready. We're not waiting for the future anymore. It's already chasing us, with a cup in one hand and your couch pillow in the other. If that gave you chills or just made you wonder what's next, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next in the world of robotics. Catch you in the next one.